Assam's new cattle bill. Can't sell beef in Hindu, Sikh or Jain areas or within 5-kilometer radius of any temple, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma says. Hi viewers, I am Janvi Gupta and you all are watching Such News Network. Here's the important news. A new bill to protect cattle tabled in the Assam Legislative Assembly on Monday by Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. He bars sale and purchase of beef or beef products in the areas predominantly inhabited by Hindu, Jain or Sikh community and other non-beef eating communities, or within a radius of 5 km of any temple or Satra Vaishnavits monasteries. This is a unique aspect of the Assam Cattle Preservation Bill 2021, which aims to regulate slaughter, consumption and illegal transportation of the cattle. If passed, the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 1950, which Sarma had earlier said lacked sufficient legal provisions, regulate slaughter, consumption and transportation of the cattle, will be repealed. Many states which have their own anti-slaughter laws do not exclude specific areas like what Assam proposes to sell or buy beef or any beef products. Reacting to the bill, leader of the opposition Debrata Sakya of Congress said that there are a lot of problematic areas in the bill and they are getting it examined by the legal experts. For example, the 5-kilometer rule about the beef, a stone can be laid and a temple can be built anywhere by anyone, so it becomes very ambiguous. And this may lead to a lot of communal tension, he said. The opposition had said it will push for the amendments. This is not a bill to protect cows or even respect cows. This has been brought to hurt the sentiments of the Muslims and polarize communities further. We oppose it and we will try and bring in the amendment resolutions, said Aminul Aslam, All India United Democratic Front IEUDF legislator. Further, the Assam bill prohibits interstate transport of the cattle to or from as well as through Assam without valid documents. Sarma had earlier said that the proposed legislation was to ban movement of the cattle to check the cattle smuggling to Bangladesh, which shares a 263-kilometer long border with the Assam. He said the 1950 Act lacked sufficient legal provisions to regulate slaughter, consumption and transportation of the cattle, and thus it was the imperative to enact a new legislation. As per the 1950 Act, cattle slaughter is allowed only for the cattle over 14 years of age or those unfit for work in the Assam, subject to a fit for slaughter certificate issued by the local veterinary officer after the examination. Under the new law, the same approval certificate for all cattle is required. However, it adds that a cow cannot be slaughtered regardless of any age. Also, no certificates shall be issued unless the veterinary officer is of the opinion that the cattle not being a cow is over 14 years of age, or the cattle not being a cow or calf has become permanently incapacitated from the work or breeding due to the accidental injury or deformity, it says. Section 7 of the bill, Prohibition on Transport of the Cattle, states that without a valid permit, transport of cattle is banned from Assam to other states where slaughter of the cattle is not regulated by the law, and from one state to another through Assam. It also adds that cattle cannot be transported within the state inter-district without any documents. However, no permission is required to transport cattle for grazing or other agriculture or animal husbandry purposes, as well as to and from registered animal markets within the district. The proposed law also gives police officer not below the rank of sub-inspector or any other person authorized by the government the power to enter and inspect any premises within their jurisdiction where he was. Reason to believe that an offence under the Act has been or is likely to be committed. In 1950 Act, this power was given only to the veterinary officers and certifying officers appointed by the government. Anybody found guilty can be jailed for a term of minimum 3 years, extendable to 8 years, and fined ₹3 lakh with the upper limit ₹5 lakhs, or both. For repeat offenders, the punishment will be doubled. The proposed legislation, however, allows for certain exemptions. It won't apply to the religious occasions when slaughter of the cattle, not being a cow or heifer or calf, is allowed. The government also may establish gaushalas, that are shelters to take care of the recovered cattle. Also, all opposition parties tagged a walkout on Monday on the very first day of the budget session, the assembly, after the speaker did not allow a discussion on the issues of price rise of the fuel and other essential commodities. So this was all about Assam's new cattle bill. Stay connected to Sach News Network.